There's a lot of programs out there that are designed to help people get into houses without any money down. VA is one of them we've talked about in the
That's
past.
for veterans.
If you're a veteran, you can get in with no money down. It's a 30-year fixed rate, real low. They're under 5% now. 15 years are even better. It's got no monthly mortgage insurance. You can literally come to the table with nothing. You can bring nothing to the table. Have the seller pay your closing costs. They can pay all of them. The other is there's some programs local to our market, to Tulsa. Community Action Project is a great program.
CAP.
Everybody calls it CAP. CAP is deeper and wider than anybody would ever guess. I mean, it's a huge organization, but one small part of it is down payment assistance, and they use that down payment assistance for lower income families to be able to get up to 5% of their purchase price in the form of down payment assistance or closing costs, up to $5,000. So if you buy a $100,000 house and you meet those qualifications and income with Community Action Project, they do all kinds of things for buyers, which is great. Planning their budget and their debt-to-income ratios and things like that.
It's really an educational process that's very valuable to consumers, and I think stuff like that, bringing it, if more people had that type of assistance and education, we would have fewer problems today.
Yeah, I think you're correct. And in fact, there's many times, I wouldn't say many, there's been a few times where we would approve someone's loan, but their debt ratios were too high for them to get that assistance because they said, we're not comfortable with their ratios being that high, where the underwriting guidelines said, yes, but they said you can't get our assistance because you have too much debt. You're not able to. So it really does do a lot to educate that consumer and what kind of debt they should.
And help them know when to put the brakes on.
Exactly. Yeah.
Because if there's nothing but a sales, if it's just a sales process, the whole process, everybody's wanting to say, yes, yes, go get it. And there's nobody there to say, wait a minute, here's the reason. Let's back off. Let's do this right. It's only going to be another 6 months, another year, but let's get it right.
Exactly. It helps everybody make a better decision, and I think that's what customers want, is they want to make sure they make the best informed decision that they can make.